It's a good film. That's it. It's a good film. You should watch it. That's the end of the review. Subscribe if you like these. Okay. Alright. I don't necessarily like the reviews that actually tell the plot of the entire film, like beat by beat कि character ऐसे हुआ है ऐसे blah. Basically, this film is about a father trying to give his kid a better life. That's it. It's filled with times of humor and not the sleazy, shitty like हाँ अभी तक इतनी घटिया घटिया कॉमेडी फिल्म्स आई है ना कि the dialogues are really funny. They are on point. It's not like कि किसी out of touch reality आदमी ने लिखी है जो कि आज के ज़माने में वो ऐसी चीज़ें कोई बोलता भी नहीं है. Pretty much on point with the type of circumstances that we are living in. The acting is good. It's worth your time. So I urge you to please watch it now. ओके नेटफ्लिक्स पे अच्छा है ये लाइक माँ बाप के साथ देखने के लिए वेल काइंड ऑफ ट्रिकी देयर क्योंकि आई थॉट बाय द ट्रेलर कि दिस इज गोना बी अ वेरी मच अ फैमिली फिल्म एंड इट इज़ मोस्टली अ फैमिली फिल्म लेकिन इसके अंदर गालियाँ इतनी है कि दैट मेड मी काइंड ऑफ हैप्पी कि मैंने अपनी फैमिली के साथ नहीं देखी है. अगर आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ देख रहे हो तो शुरुआत के 12 सेकेंड कहीं खिसक लेना, ठीक है, जस्ट चले जाना कहीं पे. अगर आप एक नॉर्मल पर्सन हो जिसको बस पता करना था कि मूवी अच्छी है कि नहीं अच्छी है, आप देखने जाओ. लेकिन अगर आपको और छानबीन करनी है इसके बारे में तो मैं बहुत डिटेल में जाऊंगा. बेसिकली सेइंग मूवी इज जस्ट गुड और बैड और ये सब करना मेरे को समझ नहीं आता. मूवी बनाने में और भी 6 क्राफ्ट्स होती हैं जिसके बारे में अब मैं डिस्कशन करूंगा, ठीक है. तो अगर आप बोर्ड होते हो तो इन चीज़ों से तो निकल लो. ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग, द स्टोरी हैज इनफ ट्विस्ट. आई फील लाइक इट्स इन लाइन विद दीज कैरेक्टर्स एंड नॉट लाइक एक कोई ट्विस्ट होते हैं जो कि इतने ज़्यादा आउट ऑफ कैरेक्टर हो जाते हैं कि यू आर लाइक क्यों ये नहीं है, ये स्टूपिड है, कुछ भी मत करो. दैट ब्रिंग्स अस टू द कैरेक्टर्स. नाउ हियर इज वेयर इट गेट्स अ बिट ट्रिकी. इफ यू लाइक सीक्रेट गेम सो यू विल रियली लव दिस कैरेक्टर बिकॉज दिस इज बेसिकली गणेश गायतोंडे. दैट्स व्हाट ही बेसिकली इज अगेन. लेकिन बस आपकी अब हम इंटेंशंस थोड़ी सिविल कर देते कि अब आपको नहीं, आपको माननी है दुनिया की लेकिन अपने बच्चे के भले के लिए. अब आपको गैंगस्टर या फिर भगवान बनने के लिए नहीं. सो दैट्स व्हाट दिस कैरेक्टर इज. ही इज जस्ट गोना डू एनीथिंग इन हिज पावर टू अचीव व्हाट ही वांट्स टू फॉर हिज किड. पूरी फुल ऑन डायलेक्ट भी सेम है. मैंने बोला मूछें भी सेम रखी. मैं शुरुआत में जैसी मूवी के पहले 2 मिनट के अंदर ही आई वॉज जस्ट डाइंग वेर आई न्यू आई वॉज गोना मेक दिस रिव्यू. ये सबसे पहले मैं ये चीज़ हाईलाइट करूंगा कि गणेश गायतोंडे इज बैक एंड दैट्स वेयर आई फील लाइक कि ये मूवी मैं चाहता हूँ कि बच्चे भी देखें. बट आई डोंट नो कि इस मूवी के ऊपर इसको अडल्ट लिखा जाएगा नेटफ्लिक्स पे या. इट ट्राइज टू फोकस ऑन द काइंड्स ऑफ वैल्यूज दैट इज वेरी रेयर in our society and it tackles like the subjects which are needed to in this day and age. Basically the oppression on like minority caste उनके साथ में कैसा होता है. This movie really deals with them delicately and I didn't ever feel like कि यार ये क्या कर दिया ना. It was handled so nicely. So let's talk about the kid now. The kid was awesome. Like he was totally believable. I like the arc of the kid because basically he starts off being like a genius guy who knows everything else. But then he changes. Turns out he was never a genius. His father had basically cheated his way to becoming genius. The character of the kid deals with this in a very engaging way because you feel for him when he's being pushed by his father to do things that he doesn't want to. He's just a kid. He wants to play around, goof around with his friends. He wants to go out in the society not like a preacher but as a kid. At the end, how his arc is, it's pretty good. The female character in this movie, man, very strong. She doesn't have much of a screen running time because for the majority of the movie she doesn't really actually know what's going on. But whenever she does come on screen, she commands the screen and she is just very good to look at with Nawaz and without him also. Whenever she and Nawaz are on the screen, I feel like she's the more dominating force. Like these are the kind of powerful woman characters that there should be and independent. She's really independent, man. She doesn't give a about what Nawaz thinks. Not to the point of being disrespectful to the spouse or the relationship. Obviously for the majority of the movie he is doing the wrong thing. She doesn't stand for that. She does not. She makes it clear. And some of those dialogues, man, that she says that she was going to be married into a brothel and that would have been better. Oh, You really feel the situation. It gives the situation so much more gravity. There are scenes like that which made me like really engage with the story halfway. When the kid finally loses his mind and just starts murmuring the sentences that his father is basically उस बच्चे को जो रट्टा मारने के लिए बोलते हैं, he's just murmuring those sentences over and over again, and then he's bashing his head into the cupboard. The scenes like those really solidified. Like ये movie, I'm glad कि ये movie is not just about Nawaz being the best thing in this movie, because honestly he was fine. Like I don't like the fact कि we are gonna just base the whole movie around him and saying कि अगर आपको ये आदमी पसंद है तो आप movie देख. No, you have to watch this movie because all the characters are good. None of them like slack off, and each and every one of them supports each other. The casting again was really great. Let's talk about the casting, man. These characters were casted perfectly. They were totally believable. Even the girl who is supposed to be the politician's daughter and has gone abroad and all that, she's not a typical, NRI. Like, she's limping with a cane. That doesn't really tell me that she just always obviously tells me that she has been through something. Good choice, because I was constantly thinking like, what has happened with this? What has she gone through? That just made the scenes more interesting, because you never knew where this character's heart was at, whether it was in service for her father or she was actually, empathizing with the Nawaz character. The main two protagonists that we are given, their character arcs are pretty interesting. They are engaging. Like, they start from one place, then they, face a lot of problems. They conquer them and find a better way. Nawaz's character realizes that he has been harsh on his kid. The father that his father was, he never wanted to become that way, but in the process of just finding a better way for his kid, he does. Now let's talk about the cinematography. Let's talk about that. The tone of the film is very specific, and it feels like a director के आजू बाजू कोई भी चूचा करने वाले लोग नहीं थे which are gonna tell him कि अच्छा ये ऐसे कर दो, अच्छा वो वैसे कर दो. He just did what he felt like, and that's a good thing, because tonally the movie is pretty consistent. The camera angles are in service to the story. The whole movie is pretty much shot from the POV of Nawaz. So when two people are in the conference room and he is behind the closed doors, और उसका एक छोटा सा कुछ होल सा है जिसमें से ही देख सकता है थोड़ा बहुत, तो मूवी आपको दिखाती है उसी एंगल से, फ्रॉम द POV of this character. The camera angles are not always like सबसे heroic shot या फिर कुछ भी. It's in the service of the story. Because this movie is shot in real locations, it gives the movie not like a movie vibe, but like a dramatic documentary. Because it feels so real. The textures, the art department has done a great job. Like, particular politician comes to his house. So जब वो politician घर में आए हुए हैं तो वो कुछ लेकर ही आए होंगे, तो उन्होंने वो सीन नहीं दिखाया कि अच्छा वो कुछ लेकर आए हुए हैं एंड ऑल. उन्होंने पीछे बैकग्राउंड में वो बास्केट जो है रखी हुई वो दिखा दी. So it just makes me as an audience feel like, yeah, these guys have been here for a while, they have greeted each other, and now they are on to business. Little things, man. Their room in which they are mostly, for the most of the film, for the entirety of the film that they are situated in, also changes. Like, with time, as he progresses in life, the room also reflects that कि टीवी बड़ा हो गया है, और जो उसने मूवी के शुरुआत में जो लैंप लगाया था, एक स्टडी टेबल छोटी सी बनाई थी, वो चेंज हो गई है. उसके अंदर चीज़ें ऐसे रख रखी हैं हर चीज़ सीन के अंदर. इट एड्स टू द स्टोरी. The color correction was on point. I felt like the colors were really rustic. They were authentic enough for me to believe that this world is pretty real, because the colors were not like Bollywood gloomy. It had a rustic and used feel to it, and the colors reflected that. They were not overly saturated. Basically, the color correction was pretty good. The camera work is really good. The sound design, and by sound design what I mean is like little things like कि अगर डोर खुलता है तो ची की आवाज़, या फिर चल रहा है तो स्लिपर्स की आवाज़. like little things like these are what sound design is. It's not about कि वो पीछे से स्कोर क्या आ रहा है, एक inspirational. The sound design in general is fine. Talking about the things that are fine, The ending of this film, I am on the fence because on one hand I am like क्या ending थी ये, because it was building up to this point कि everybody's gonna find out their secret, and then at the end it was just like हाँ मैंने सबके साथ धोखा किया, and the audience claps कि बच्चा कितना humble है, which just makes me feel like what. But on the other hand I'm like क्या करते. So at the end I can't show the kid again getting bashed by all these guys. Realistically what his fears are, actual fears, are gonna turn into reality. I don't want that. So I'm also kind of glad that didn't happen, and it just it was really anticlimactic. एंड ऑल्सो उसने वापस से पूरा का पूरा वो स्पील नहीं दी अपनी कि बेटा तू जो भी चाहता है तू वही बन, तेरे दिल में जो है वही कर, इस दुनिया तो तेरे लिए बनी है, यू आर वेरी स्पेशल, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. वो सारी चीज़ें हम तारे ज़मीन पर सारी मूवीज़ में सुन चुके हैं, विच आई एम ग्लैड कि उसने इन लोगों ने वापस से वो चीज़ आखिरी में पूरी स्पीच नहीं सुनवाई. बट द क्लाइमैक्स वॉज, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द फनी ऑफ दिस मूवी. The funny in this movie was actually funny. Like it doesn't really have all the malice of a cringy humor. तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Jokes really are hard hitting. Like I listened to these jokes in the trailer, but again when they come on the movie, you are laughing. They are funny. Nawaz has most of the jokes. Obviously, he's the narrator and the read, so he's gonna have it. And it's a good thing because he can really deliver dark humor in non-cringy way. That's why our generation and most of the people love this guy, because his delivery is so effortless, and in that effortlessness the funny comes out better. And that's all the thoughts that I have on this film. Hopefully you guys do watch it, and if you do, let me know in the comment section down below if you really liked it or you thought it was just meh. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. Take care and have a nice day.